So let's continue processing the data. So we wanted to take the, we'll just show you in my application. If you have 5.3 here, and then go to centimeter, it will, oh, yeah. Here we have it, 5.3, and we change to centimeter to the metric. It says 160 centimeter, and if you go back to imperial, you get 5.2, but the 0.25 is actually inches, and we only want the number 5. So the way to do this is just to create an integer int height feet, and just convert the height feet into an integer. So let's just open a web browser just to see the code for converting double to integer. I think maybe another method of doing it is just to put it here. No, it doesn't work. So we need just to convert the feet to integer. Convert double to integer. Double.int value. We will check if that works. No, it's no command for that. Okay, so we have a round, so we can just use the round. Oh, so there is no method for this also. Okay, so I'll just see if I have it in my Android tutorials here. No, I don't have it. Round double. Okay, here it is. Mat.round, yeah. So we will just go to height feet. It was mat.round. My feet. Okay, just try to run this code now. It's strange that it couldn't just make it an integer. Okay, so you can just write int before it. So let's try that one. Because I really don't want to round it. I want to make an integer. So integer 0.feet equals integer feet. And now we can put it here. And for the same, the other way, I want this height in centimeter to be rounded, so you can use the math here just to round it. And centimeter equals math. Math round height centimeter. Okay, let's launch the code now. Here's our code, so we will go for Imperial at 5.3, sign up, 160, so let's go for here and go for metric, 160, and if we go back to Imperial, 5.3, hooray. Okay. So let's just make sure that we have rounded it here also. Okay, let's go to the next one, and that is weight. Here it is, the text weight. So in the text, text weight equals to edit text. And review by ID r.id edit text weight. Convert it to a string. Then we need string weight equals to edit text weight dot get text to string. Okay, we need now to figure out if it's imperial or not. But first of all, I want to just make this a double weight equals to 0. Try and catch. So parse that string into a double, and if it cannot be parsed, then we want to write an error message. Okay, so if we are in metric, we don't have to do anything. But if we are in American Imperial, and this will be pounds, and we need it to kilogram, then we want to take the double weight, and we need to find the formula for pound to kilogram. Because we want to store kilogram. So we just take the number and multiply it with this number, and then we can round it. Okay, then we need to do the same here in our conversion method. I should change. So we'll just do if string measurement starts with I and then else. So if it starts with an I, then we are going from kilogram to pounds. If not, then we are going from pounds to kilogram. So let's just convert the weight. So double weight is equal to double weight divided on this number. And here it should be multiplied with this number. Let's use the math round. And then just write it to the field. Okay, let's run the app. So why is it 00 here? I think it has something to do with this. If double weight is not zero, then do this calculation. Because if it's zero, then do nothing. Okay, we just used 80 as our reference, so 80 kilogram. And if we change it to imperial, it should be 176, it's correct. And we change it back to kilogram, it's 80. Okay, so it's correct. Just don't want it to be 00 there, I want it to be nothing when we load the app. And now it's nothing because we have this check here. Okay, next one is activity level. And I was thinking of something. If we just get the spinner item here, then if we change the language to another language, then we have a problem. So let's just go to my website and just see how we got the spinner value. It's very slow. I can just use my local version. Okay, here it is. Website is netport.com. Select the spinner item. So the spinner name was spinner activity level. So we get this selected item to string, but I think I want a selected index or something like that, so I will just check if there's any possibility for getting that instead. Get selected item position, maybe. That's an integer. So let's try to have that instead. I think that would be a much better approach. Just run the code. So if it's by sign up 0, 1, 2, 3, and the last one should be 4. And that's 4. So this is much better. Zero is this one. 1 is this one. 2 is this one. 3 is this one. And 4 is this one. Okay, now we have everything we need, and now we can just insert it into the database. So here is no arrows. Let's insert the database. And now we need to go to Java. Now DB adapter. Now main activity, just to see that this was how we did it. Open, and we have to close it. db.insert. Table name is usage. And now we have the fields. Let's go to DB adapter and look at the fields. You want to put user ID. User email. Date of birth. Gender. Height. Activity level. Weight. That fit. And now the fields. User ID is of course null. User email is here. Date of birth. Gender. Okay, we don't have gender. string gender equals to ready button gender to string. Now we have gender. Next one is height. Then we have user activity level. And then we have weight. So let's see. Let's just try to run it and see if it works or not. I have no idea. Okay. So email 1 centimeter, 2 kilogram, sign up, and it has crashed. Okay, let me think a bit, and then we will enter it. Okay, now I have actually found the error. So if we go to my DB adapter, and we have the method quote smart. What I did now was that I put value equals this double quotation mark, single quotation mark, double quotation mark, plus value, plus double, single, double, and then I make a public double quote smart double value and returns the value, and the same for integer, it returns the value. Okay, so you need to update your DB adapter. I also have it on my website, SQL injection in Android. The URL is netport.com. Like to sign up. What I did here is that I quote smart all of my strings. So I made new variables, string email SQL, db.quotesmart string email, string date of birth SQL, db.quotesmart date of birth, string gender.sql, db.quotesmart string gender, double height centimeter SQL, db.quotesmart height centimeter, integer, int height, int activity level SQL, db.quotesmart int activity level, double weight SQL, db.quotesmart double weight. Then I made a string input. First is the user ID, it's null, email, it's the string email, user date of birth SQL, and then gender, height, activity level, and then weight. Then I just used my DB insert, users, user ID, email, date of birth, gender, user height, activity level, and weight. Then I made db.close. So I will just show you that this works. Just update my database version number and then run the code. Okay, my email is Sindre at method German Sindre, okay, doesn't matter, netport.com. My date of birth is 12th of July 2000. I'm a male. I am 184, 90 kilo, and I exercise 3 to 5 times a week. Okay, sign up. Okay, now it's signed up. Let's go to Google Chrome. Let's, oh, let's inspect my application. Strum diet, food, users, and here it is, email, date of birth, 2007-12, gender, male, height, 184, activity level 2, weight 90. So, I want to make this lowercase. And I don't think I want to use a male, because we have the same problem here as we had in the second spinner. If we translate the application to another language, then we will not get male, we will get the other language. So here it is. So I'll just try to make a toString of this one. And see if this is a 0 or 1. And of course need to update database version. Sign up. Okay, so it's like a random number. So let's try to make an integer instead. Gender equals radio.gender. Get ID maybe. Try to run this one, I'll just search also. Okay, so it's index of child. So it's selected ID dot I have to see it one more time. Cool, what is that? Okay, I'll just try to run this code. I have no idea if it works. Okay, so what I did is just first to get the radio group gender, then get the radio button ID from the group, then create a view for this radio group, and then use the radio group gender to get the position. So if the position is 0, then it's male. If it's 1, then it's female. Okay, let's just run this code. Very important to think that things can change, that you can actually need to translate the application, so it's best to not hard code anything. It's much better to use positions than other things. Just try to fill this out. 1 and 2, and now I should be female. Sign up. Let's go to Chrome. Inspect. Users, female. Okay, everything is very good now. The last thing I want to store in this table is actually if we are metric or if we are using another type of measurement. So I don't know if I have it here. User program. I don't have it, so I will make a new one here. Varchar. Just make it before last scene. User measurement. Back to our sign up. Oh, and then I did increase the database version. 27. Back to sign up. After user weight, just add user measurement. Make a string measurement SQL equals db.quote_smart string measurement, and just insert the string measurement into our query here. And then I want to go up and just find the string measurement. Here it is. And here we have the same problem because I will get an I, but I want a number. And where did we use the number last time? We maybe used it in activity level. Let's make an arrow so I know where I am. So int measurement equals to spin the measurement get selected the position. So if int measurement equals to 0, else. So if it is 0, then I know that we have metric, I think. Metric is. Else we have Imperial. Okay, and then just move this one up. So now I should actually have the type of measurement we have. Okay, let's just try to insert something. Let's use the Imperial. Sign up. Then go to Google Chrome. Inspect. Users. And here we have it, Imperial. Fantastic. So, okay. Let's just move the user back. To main activity. Increase the database version to 28. So from sign up to main activity. You're finished.